My name is Jeani Allen, and I am one of 3 computer technicians here at Lancaster City Schools. I am a parent of a Lancaster City School student, and I am also a graduate of Lancaster City Schools. I'm going to be showing you some challenges in the school district that we face as a technology department that inhibit the teachers and the students from utilizing the technology equipment efficiently. One of the problems that we face in Cedar Heights and all of our buildings is the placement of our racks, the place where all the wires come into the building to serve the building with internet. And at Cedar Heights, we have them in a fan room. This door sucks in all the dirt from the hallway, and it's rather loud. So all of our internet wires come back to this area, which is not real feasible because all the dirt comes in here, so it affects our rack. With a new elementary school, we would be able to put a side space specifically for our racks and for our servers where they wouldn't get damaged or dirty, and which would, extend the life of the equipment. Okay, now we're here at West in the Learning Center room where they house 4 teachers, which is totally overcrowded because this room is supposed to be quiet for students to test. But besides that fact of being overcrowded, my technology challenge here is that we only have 2 internet ports back here in the corner, which have to service the 4 teachers and the 3 student machines. So, and with that comes this beautiful mess of electricity because we do not have proper electric in this building, as well as, then we have this mess of internet wires. And then we come down here and we have more electrical challenges. So this could be a hazard for sure. It's an overload on circuits, and it would be best if we could just have, internet drops around a room, but that's not possible. We couldn't do that in this building because it would be too much of a challenge. You can't disturb asbestos, so therefore that limits us to what we can do. We can't drill holes. The asbestos just can't be disturbed. We're at Tarhee Elementary. We are currently in a tutoring room. I want to show you, this is a 4-in-1 system that we use throughout the district because it uses limited space. So therefore we're able to get 4 computers, so to speak, on one table. All 4 of these monitors run off the one tower. It's not a great system. It crashes a lot. It interferes with the kids learning a lot. But to replace this, we would need 4 individual towers, and that we would only be able to fit 2 here. The wiring that is consistent with these 4-in-1s all look like this. There's no way around it. We've used, as you can see, we've used the ties and things, but it still ends up, looking like that, along with the electric again. Now we're over here at Tarhee in the trailer portion of the building, the addition that they had to add because of the overcrowding in the main building. And I'm going to take you into the custodial closet to show you our rack that feeds the network and internet over here. So if you come in here, you'll see that it's definitely a custodian closet because we have toilet paper and paper towels and brushes and we have our rack in the corner, which is very hard to get to. All of my wires are back in here. To get to these, this actually swings open, but you can see what a problem this might be to swing open because of the bowl cleaner that we have in front of it. So I would actually have to move these things before I could ever work on that rack. So that is ridiculous, and most schools would not have that in their building. Thank you for watching this video. What you've seen is just a small portion of what we face in the technology department that are challenges. To band-aid them would even be expensive and too hard to do with the restrictions that are placed on us within the buildings. the technology that we do have in place is, 15, 20 years old, and nobody would use a 15, 20-year-old computer, actually wouldn't be able to, or a 15-year-old cell phone. So everybody updates, and our infrastructure of our network definitely needs to be updated.